what's happening, folks. So today I'm going to take you through primary pull day. It's going to be a full body. It's going to have a bit of legs. It's going to have some muscle ups. It's going to have some pull ups, and it's going to have some dips and accessory movements to help with the pull up. So you get a better insight as to how I program things for weighted calisthenics. Let's get into it. Starting off, we're going to do an EMOM here for 5 minutes. It's going to be 2 muscle ups every minute on the minute for 5 minutes. The only thing is, I'm not going to do the dip at the top, so I'm just going to get over the bar, land, come back down, do the second rep, then jump off. So keep your way out here, see if you can see any techniques you can learn from, and enjoy the set. Okay, we're about to get stuck in here. Have chalk on. Always make sure if you're doing your dips and your pull-ups and all, you're holding your body. You need enough grip, so make sure you use plenty of chalk. So 5 minute EMOM, 2 muscle ups every minute on the minute, 10 muscle ups in total. Let's go. So about 10 seconds to do that. Let's change the angle. Have an absolutely cracking 90s playlist on here. Gives you the feel to go. Let's go. So one of the things with these transitions, without actually going over the bar, it's just a high pull-up basically. So it's actually going to prime the nervous system as well for doing my heavy chin-ups next. So 15 seconds to go here. And that'll be 3 rounds down out of 5. Watch as well, there's no massive swing here, it's quite minimal. Easy. For anybody who's wanting to learn a skill as well, like muscle ups or whatever, if you're doing handstands, handstand push-ups, anything of the sort, doing an EMOM's perfect. Gives you not loads of rest, but just enough, especially if you're not working the high intensity. Like 2 reps, that's easy enough. If you were trying to go for like 6 or 7 reps, then it would be pointless, because then you'd be done in and you wouldn't be able to complete the EMOM properly and get the reps you want. So the whole point of an EMOM, if you're using it for a skill, it's to accumulate reps. So obviously 2 reps isn't going to burn me out. It's not going to fuck me up. But at the same time, it's me accumulating double the reps than if I was doing 1. The intensity is quite low. And then I'm just able to perform powerful reps with 2 reps. If I was to try and go over 4 or 5 reps or something, I'd lose power, and then I'd be grinding those reps out. Now obviously I can rep out muscle ups quite easy enough, but I'm focusing here on maximum power through my lats and keep my hollow body to work on my technique, which is ultimately how you're going to get good, especially at weighted muscle ups. Let's go. That was round 4. 1 more to go. I'll tell you what, this playlist is banging. So we're almost there. So once I've done this set, I'll have 3 minutes break, and then I'll start warming up for my heavy chins. Let's go, last one. Oh. Almost on a full one there, I can't help myself. Right, now for a wee break. I'll get set up for chin-ups. So this here big belt, it's a Gore Nation calisthenics weighted belt. and you can have the weight sitting down towards your feet. Now there's a couple of different reasons that is, but the main reason, when the weight's in between your feet, you can use your feet to make micro adjustments, whereas it's up around your balls, everything has to come from the hip, which is too much. So if I'm about to get up towards the bar and I just need that wee kick to get me in, to get my chin over, all I have to do is subtly move my feet, and then that's me in there. So we'll start off, warm-up set, we'll go 20 kilo, and the intention is to be as powerful as possible, pulling myself up. Chalk's still on, we're looking good, let's go. We'll have 4 sets of pull-ups today. Top set is going to be 50 kilo for one, and we're going to back off to 30 kilo for set of 3, and then we'll go from there. And start sitting good, right at the feet. So I usually have my grip about shoulder width or just inside. Get that kind of semi-false grip with my underhand grip as well. Step off gently into a hang. Clench my feet together and drive. Easy. Unclip this wee yoke. I don't know how loud I'm talking because the music's blaring in my headphones, but it's now time for warm-up set 2, so 40 kilo. The good thing as well with this belt, so I just have it sitting here, already clipped onto the weights. I just step in, clip the top half in, then I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's go. So just a single at 40 here. That's the last warm up. Get that good grip. Step off gently. Feet together. Bang. I was feeling a bit heavy, so I don't know how 50 kilos is going to go here for fuck's sake, but let's wait and see. Right, top set time, 50 kilo. That warm-up set felt very heavy, so I hope the fuck I get it today. But I don't really give a fuck if I fail or not, like. Plus I have sparring today as well, so probably going to be a bit fucked for that. That's us now. Yep, that was heavy. Fuck me. So 3 minutes break, and then on the back offset 1, 30 kilo for a set of 3. I'll see how I feel after that set, because I might back down a bit more weight, because obviously I have to train today as well. Double session today, sparring as well, so I need to make sure I only lift weights to complement my martial arts. So if my training here now fucks me up too much, I'll just back myself off so as I can perform my best when I go to training. Time to go. Back off set 1. Hopefully it feels alright. Fucking me. So that was heavy enough, but it's doable, so I should be able to get another 2 sets of it. So 3-minute break, and then we're back on again. Right, time for back off set 2. That one was alright. Still felt a bit heavy on the last rep, so I'm probably sitting RP 8 or 9, I'd say, but that's doable. I'm at the end of another 4-week block, so I need to drop back again next week, so it'll be all good. That's 3 minutes up. Last back off set of chins. Now, because I'm on a tight time schedule, I can only afford 3 minutes, but what I might do is I might take a set away and allow for extra rest, because I think that's the way I'm going. It's getting too much. I do too much shit, so I'm thinking now, take a set away, a back off set away, and take an extra 2 minutes or something in between. Might work better. Fuck. Yeah, I think that's going to have to be the case soon. So, I'm going to take 3 minutes, and then I've just got 1 set of 8 on 30 kilo for my dips. Dips now, 30 kilo for 8. Should be about an RP 5 or 6, like, hopefully a 6. Otherwise, it's just too easy. Execute it with control, of course. All this is just a wee set. Keep my body having the feel of dips. Practice. If you want to get strong, practice. So make sure when you're setting up your dip, you're able to step off with straight arms comfortably and your shoulders in a stable position. Step 1 foot out to catch the weights. Other one comes out, elbows directly above wrists. Lovely. So all that is, get a bit of pump in around my push muscles, but also it's just an extra set sprinkled in throughout the week to keep the dips at a higher frequency and get more practice in lifting some weight with the dip. Timer on now for 2 minutes, then we're going on to our pull accessories. It's all one set to more or less failure, and it's just all single arm work as well. Single arm pull down, single arm rows, rear delts, and preacher curls as well. Oh, wrist extensors and wrist flexors too. Right, so first accessory movement for my pull day. Single arm pull downs under hand grip. Left side's a bit smaller and weaker with the drive. Whenever I'm doing my heavy pulls, I can feel my right side just taking over a bit. It doesn't also help that my right arm and my right leg are slightly shorter on everything. They're like literally an inch difference between them, so I'm walking about in circles and all. Now, the thing is with this is for hypertrophy, get a bit of exercise on my left. I literally do only a couple of reps on my right side because it's just, you can feel the connection instantly, whereas with the left, it helps me get more connection. It'll help me grow a bit of size and strengthen them. Not too many reps. I keep it heavy. If I train heavy to failure, it doesn't cause me half as much fatigue than if I pump out a load of reps. I'll be too sore in my muscles. And obviously, people think high reps or high intensity and all that shit is different. If you go high reps to failure, you're creating all different types of stresses and also the nervous system fatigue that comes with it. Because if you go to failure, your nervous system still has to sequentially go through your slow to fast twitch units. Anyways, I'll stop boring you. Let's go. So underhand grip. And I keep my hollow shape as well. I'm not pushing my chest up and out because I'm trying to mimic the pull-up. So 3.5 on the left. Fuck me. I'll just do one on here on the right, and then I get a minute rest. It's only one set as well. Fuck it, I'll give you two. So a minute rest, and then we're down here for single arm row. Up next, single arm row. So with that pull up there, or sorry, that pull down, I was keeping my hollow shape and pulling in like so. This here one, it's single arm, yes, but I'm going to focus on opening up the rib cage and the chest and just focus on going till failure here. More so on my left than my right side. Let's go. So put a base of support here on my knee, let it, fuck off, there's a fly. Fully stretch here, the shoulders rolled forward, it's kept down low. And drive, brief squeeze, back out again nice and slow. It's just going to help me fail faster as well. I think as well, those heavy chin-ups fuck me up so bad. Oh, fuck me. So was that like 4 or something? Let's just go for 2 on this side. There's the shoulder roll, full stretch. Oh, fuck. 1 minute rest. And then we're doing rear delts. Up next, rear delts. Same thing. Go to failure on the left, and then just do a couple on the right. Biceps a match, because my right arm's actually smaller than my left, but everything else, I just feel better for doing extra on my left. Because I do pull-ups, fuckloads during the week, and dips, and everything else, so it works out better that way. And when it comes to rear delts, you don't actually want to squeeze your traps. So what I'm doing here is I'm keeping my shoulder blades opened out and just bringing the shoulder back. Try my best not to move my shoulder blade. So that was it. Go for 4 on the right. Now on the biceps. Single arm preacher curls now. Underhand grip. When you're doing chin-ups, you're always up here, but you never get this angle here. So start from the bottom, touch the bench, power up, squeeze, down nice and slow. Six. So max that on my right. Still easier on this side. Wrist extensor time. So I just put my hand out here like a wee table and I just curl up. Got weight on the stack because the handle moves. I just flex my knuckles towards my elbow. I drive through the pinky as well, that pinky knuckle. Fuck. And straight off that, flip round, and I do my wrist flexors. Now I only do my left side with these because my right side's really overdeveloped. So I roll it right down to my fingertips, let my hand stretch out, roll it back in, and then curl the knuckles up towards my forearm on the inside. fucked. Last one. Drop set. Once I get to a certain point, switch. You just hit the left leg. Now normally on this pull day, I would have hamstring curls, calf raises, and hip adductors as well. But I done those on Monday because I had extra time. So now I have extra time today, and I can hit these by themselves. Start off heavy and you feel faster, and then you have more effective reps. Oh, fuck. Right, just the left leg now. Fucked. Okay, had to get the lovely Valhalla 24/7 backdrop. So that was a primary chin up day. So it was chin up, set of dips in there just to keep the practice. Then I had other accessory movements on top. Just one set of 8 still failure, just to add those wee extra bits that just the chin up doesn't give. I also have to watch the volume I have and the intensity, because obviously in a couple of hours here I'm going to be sparring and I need to keep my energy to a degree, so find balance. And then usually I would do 4 leg exercises at the end of that session, but because I was a smart man and got 3 of them done on Monday, I only had to do 1 today, so feeling alright, feeling ready to go for later. If it's like that video and you just want to see more like that, make sure you fucking, all that shit. And make sure you check out the link for the free 6 weeks Kraken Calisthenics Challenge. You get me for free for 6 weeks, and sure, why not? Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.